Umentri rangba kejila ukonrat ke Sangma, hakajingdon ringkat umasnya balang dehar bat kekong isawanda lalu, kile poi lang ke Meghalaya State Ex-Servicemen Rally ke belalong Assam Regiment Center, Happy Valley, mentak katsantarik urempang. Umentri rangba ulapin pau ye kajingdon kam jongkani ke rally, hakabapenya so iki Shipai ki Shongthait, bat ki don hapo kajing tray. Ulapin menaru baka sorkar kan aya ke jaka ka babiang na kebenta ke ECHS Polyclinic Hatura. Kan ay ru saw klur tingka na kebentaban pentray ya ke Sainik Welfare Guest House.
We have given the ex gratia today of 15 lakhs to the next of kin of late Havaldar Hampier R. Mara of the 59 Medium Regiment, who was a resident of Mendipathar, North Carolina, and who died while on duty in operational area in Naugam sector along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Colonel Rai, regarding the guest house, the Senate Welfare Board, the government has sanctioned 4 crores and we will be starting the work of that very soon. It's been a very, very long pending demand, and I assure you that we will make sure that the work for this starts at the earliest. Demands and other requirements that are there, which had been mentioned by General Saab and the other members of the Senate Welfare Board, and I can assure you that the government is in the process of examining all of those aspects. And in the future, we will try from the government side to ensure that we as a government are able to give maximum support and maximum benefit to the ex-servicemen and the Veer Naris from the government of Meghalaya's side. We have also decided that the provision for government jobs for one member of the family of Mr. David Manlu, Kirti Chakra, who was martyred on 6th of June 2017 during counter-insurgency operations in Nagaland. The government has examined the matter and it was decided that one government job will be provided in the office of the Director of the Senate Welfare Board. Further, it was decided that the government of Meghalaya will enhance the cash award for the Paramveer Chakra awardee from existing 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakhs. The government of Meghalaya has also decided to enhance the annuity to award winner for the PVC from 1,000 rupees per month to 10,000 rupees per month. We have also decided that we will provide sufficient space for the ECHS Polyclinic, which was required in Tura, and there was a demand for it, and we are happy to inform you that we have agreed to provide that space. As was announced by Colonel Rai regarding the guest house, the Senate Welfare Board, the government has sanctioned 4 crores that the ex gratia to the next of kin of the martyrs and disabled soldiers will be enhanced from the existing 15 lakhs to be revised to 20 lakhs. I'm also happy to announce that we have decided that the exemption should be given for the house tax of the ex-service men and widows, ex-servicemen men or the widows residing in Meghalaya, including in the municipal areas.